discussing signaling and types of ways to attract attention to yourself for purposes of being found. We're going to be going over audible signaling first. This is a whistle. Anything that is done with respect to signaling in an emergency situation should be done in threes. The number 3 is pretty much recognized as something used under distress. So 3 fires, 3 blasts on the horn, 3 blows of a whistle. And what you want to do is break the pattern of silence that is around you. So you want to do this, but you want to do it every few minutes to make sure that anyone who is by the area, driving, walking, whatever, might have a better chance of hearing you and noticing where you are. So it's going to sound something like this. This is a standard whistle that's purchased at a wilderness store, a camping store, even a sporting goods store. There are other whistles that you can acquire. I'm a big fan of anything serving more than one function. There are also other whistles that double as containers for matches, and that even sometimes have little small compasses on them, and that's something else you can look at with respect to selecting your material.